Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Tableau Public. If you go to Google and just type in Tableau Public installation, you will land into this page. Quite easy, just type in your email address and click on download the app. Once you click on the download the app, you will install or start installing this Tableau Public.exe file. I already have it installed, guys, on my machine. It's quite very easy. You just need to follow through with the installation, it will be completed in within 1 or 2 minutes maximum. You just need to click on install right after the Tableau installation of the .exe file, or opening the .exe file that you installed. Alright, once you download Tableau successfully on your machine, which is very easy, you just need to agree on the terms and conditions and check on I'm not a robot or something like that, and then you will be able to install Tableau in no time. Second thing I would like to talk about is creating a profile with Tableau. Right now I am actually logged in. So with Tableau Public, I would like you guys to create a profile. So sign up for a profile on Tableau Public online. Just need to provide your name and email address again, and start with a password that contains alphabet and numeric and special characters, and then that's it. You will create an account, sign in. And once you signed in, you will be presented with your profile. This profile I created for this year's class. It just doesn't have any visualization, so it won't really, here when we work together, it won't really confuse you. So you should have something similar to this. If you want to have a profile picture, that would be great. For those students who would like to carry or take a certification with Tableau, which is the Tableau Specialist Certification, in the future, not right now, but once I get you introduced to the interface and to using Tableau, creating some visualizations and more advanced, skills using Tableau, probably you would enjoy exploring some sample data here through your profile. It's a free data. You could easily work with these data sets. They're mostly Excel data sets, so you can open them in Excel and connect to them through your Tableau. Alright, that's it for now. We just would like you to install Tableau. I won't be able to walk you through the installation right here, but in class I will walk you through the installation, and it should be easy, straightforward, 1 or 2 minutes. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you again on Tuesday.